What's up, guys? So I am back from Big Sur. Did a couple of trades today, DKS and GOOS. Again, this is a lesson of the power of stopping out, pretty much. So for DKS, the stock today was it was just bouncing off of this daily level. It's just bouncing off of the between the two SMAs. 15-minute, it looked like it was going to break out, so it broke this SMA level. 5-minute, I took the opening range breakdown. 1 minute actually would be easier. So it did a quick recovery, a pullback, and then it started to drop. So I went short, it dropped, I covered some, and then I think I added to my position. So I went, did the pullback, I added, and then actually what happened was I stopped out. So I stopped myself out here at 35.86 for a loss. And then I went short again, saw that it popped, it hit this EMA, so I thought it was going to drop again. I went short at it, and then it popped, so I exited, and I think I then switched my position, went long, it dropped. So I stopped out again. So at this time, I was maybe down 400, 500 bucks already. And then I saw that it was getting pretty strong because it held this level. It held a new lower high, or higher low. And then the stock seemed like it was going to reverse. So basically what I did was then I just went in really heavy on DKS. I think I did 3,000 or 4,000 shares. I was gonna sell some here. I accidentally bought more. So this is when I was just doing, I think, 3,000. Accidentally added an extra 1,000. It popped, so I started to scale out, and then I saw that it hit this SMA level. As you may know, I like to exit around the SMA, especially when it looked like the stock was gonna peter out. EMA here was like that too. It's kind of started to flatten, so I sold the remainder. But then again, it started to popped up. But now it looks like it's gonna trace. Drop back. So, but I'm good for the day. So that's the power of stop out. And then I did GOOS, Canada GOOS Holdings. What I did was I went long here, and then it hit the EMA, and then it looked like it wasn't going to go up. So I was playing for the reversal because it held this level for 4 minutes and then start to make it looks like it was going to go up. On the other hand too, is this stock is very it dropped, so I was bullish on it for it to make up the gap. It didn't really do that. So this is sort of the an example of how I basically went with the trend. 15-minute new 15-minute low. So basically what I did was, again, I stopped myself out, flipped my position. You see it better on the 1 minute, I think. So I actually took a pretty heavy size, 4,000 shares. So I stopped out initially. I took like, I think maybe 1 or 2,000 here. I stopped out, and pretty much at the end of DKS, I made like about 400 bucks. I pretty much gave like 400 something, and then I basically gave 400 bucks back. So I just got like $60 left here. But then I went heavy because I saw that it wasn't going to make a new high. The stock was very weak, so it hit the EMA, it was going to go down. So I went short, it dropped, and because of the size, I basically made a very nice profit, like 800 bucks. So I stopped out, and then it sort of hung around this level for a while, and now it's dropping again. So that's my trades for the day. I don't like the fact that I took such a big size for stop outs. In the future, I need to take smaller sizes in the initial ones until confirmation. Because sometimes when it's going, it looked like it was going to go up or down, I don't like to take big sizes initially. I think that's my style now. made some mistakes here. That's why you have pretty much a minus $1,100, and then plus 2,000 or something like that. So I don't like that. It's something I need to fix in my game. I've noticed this creep in. So anyway, made 946, $127.50 commission, and 35 tickets. So those are decent numbers. Yeah. So hope y'all have a good rest of the day and had a great Memorial Day weekend.